Do you want to know what I'm knitting? Pussy hats. Pussy hats. Ah! And I'm not doing it with a sigh or lackadaisical attitude. I'm doing it with a scream. Ah! Stop killing us. Stop raping us. And since when is a housekeeping chore urgent? Urgent? Urgent is when you're pregnant and you need not to be pregnant. Urgent is when men are grabbing us, drugging us, and sending us death threats. You want me to make my fucking bed so my mind is free? You want to free my fucking mind? I'm supposed to have a little bag of French chalk? Do you know where you can stick your French chalk? You want to absorb my moisture? Are you scared of my fucking moisture? You want me to look attractive? You want me to look neatly put together? You want me to be fearful that a visitor will drop in? Or my husband? Well, guess what? I am fearful of that. I'm fearful that a visitor, or even my freaking husband, will drop in and grab my pussy. And then you will make me carry his baby. And you won't pay for my prenatal care. And then she will be born. And you'll tell her to be a nice girl and put on her powder and lipstick so she can enjoy her goddamn